Welcome to the third and final episode of Spelunker. Dungy 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 dunga 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 dung. Hello, my name is Burt Reynolds. And many of you people are wondering what exactly was the purpose to this series. Well, I'll tell you. So you see, that is the reason. Thank you and good night. Holy shit! Oh, and by the way, stay tuned for Spelunker episodes 1 through 2. Oh, and a quick reminder that the preceding program was sponsored by the Pittsburgh Penguins. The following was also sponsored by USA Championship Wrestling.